Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
中
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
中 zh ong 中中中间中间我坐在中间我坐在中间中国中国我爱中国我爱中国中午中午我中午吃米饭我中午吃米饭
Now let's write this Chinese character. This character is symmetrical, left and right, balanced top and bottom, with a square and stable shape. Ancient Chinese people regarded their own residence as the center of the world, hence the name China. The original meaning of this character is the exact middle, representing impartiality. It is one of the most core characters in Chinese culture, emphasizing neutrality, gentleness, and balance, and it is also the representative character of China. Stretch the middle stroke longer and make the square-shaped middle part taller. This class is over. See you next class.